Wow, everyone should have this on their wardrobe. What is up, guys? This is your boy, Amoy Pera. So, makikita nyo naman from my outfit for today, since lalabas kami ni girlfriend, and we're going to out. Sabi ko, I wanna review na itong Varak Silver para malaman nyo na kung worth it ba siya to have it in your wardrobe or not. Okay? Is it very close to the OG, which is Gentle Fluidity Silver, or hindi? Pag-usapan na natin yan. Let's go! So, for today's episode, binagay ko talaga ang outfit ko. Papakita ko ang outfit ko later sa inyo sa B-roll. And I'm going to show it to you since talagang white na bottle siya. And the presentation of this one, papakita ko sa inyo through B-roll. Let's talk about now about Varak Silver na pinag-uusapan na ngayon dito sa community natin. So, itong Varak Silver na to, the scent profile of this one is opening pa lang makukuha mo na yung pagka-bergamote, citrusy, juniper berries opening siya. So, the juniper berries, it gives that parang cold effect sa umpisa pa lang. It gives that parang may pagka-metallic na siya sa opening. Parang nagbibigay siya ng parang very dapper type of a person, very gentleman and easy to approach with na kind of a person na nagsusuot nito. Sa opening pa lang, ganun na yung scenery na nakukuha ko. Then after that, dito na lumalabas yung pagka-vegetal effect niya, which is coming from the coriander note. Okay? And after that, you can smell na parang nagiging musky na siya and nagiging kakaiba na siya. That's where comes the magic. Okay? Dito na sa dry down. Dito na lumalabas yung pagka-ambroxani niya na gives that parang lalong tatagal yung scent. It gives that musky, very clean, very approachable, very neat type of a person yung musk niya dito, and you will get also vanilla note na mga hindi pa nakakaalam there's vanilla on this composition as well sa dry down. And you can get some also woodsy notes, okay? Let's talk about the performance of Varak Silver. Performance on this one, it lasted on me 8+ hours, sometimes pushing 10+ hours, but hindi ko na ganun masyado maamoy, but ibang tao naaamoy daw nila tong Varak Silver sa akin. You will get nose blind. Expect kayo dito sa Varak Silver. And pinagkakaguluhan tong Varak Silver kasi ito daw yung pinaka-good alternative ng isang sikat na niche brand which is Gentle Fluidity Silver. Na talagang sino nagsusuot yung pabango na yon? Isang sikat na artista dito sa Pilipinas, none other than Mr. Joshua Garcia. Okay? So Mr. Joshua Garcia, syempre abot kaya niya yun, artista siya, mayaman siya. And syempre parang tayong mga klaseng tao, hindi pa naman natin ganong kaya unless we have a lot of savings or marami tayong pera, ma-afford natin yung Gentle Fluidity Silver. Halaga ng price na yon for 100 ml sa Rustans, Makati, umaabot siya ng 10,000 plus pesos. Imagine that. Compared to Varak Silver, this is 1,900 pesos for 100 ml and it's a EDP concentration. Okay? So, the scenery na nakukuha ko dito, this is kind of a person na it's gentleman, it's easy to approach, it's neat, it's clean, bagong planchadong damit. Anything you wear from top to bottom, bagong damit, bagong, let's say, bagong pendant, bagong necklace, bagong relo, bagong bracelet, ring, pantalon, boxers, brief, medyas, it will give you that vibe na parang bagong bili mo ba yan? Napakabago naman. That's the vibe that you're going to get dito sa Varak Silver. Napakalinis mong tingnan. Napaka bagong gupit, bagong ahit. It's just very clean. Sa sobrang linis niya, everyone loves to smell this on a man or on a woman. It's a very unisex scent, okay? This is type of a scent na wherever you go, kahit everyday errands, kahit pumunta ka sa gym, kahit you go on an office, you go on a business meeting, you go on a, let's say, on a date, ito yung klaseng scent na very versatile. Wherever you go, you can rock this scent, okay? Day and night, you can wear it, okay? The hot weather, this is a banger. Highly recommended tong Varak Silver. Don't forget to check this one out sa Yellow Basket natin. Love you all. Till next time, Fragrance Family.